In this video, we'll show you how to reset the display settings on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So what you need to do is right click anywhere on the desktop and then go to display settings. Now in the settings app that opens, first if you are using multiple monitors, select the monitor for which you want to reset the display settings. You can use this identify option to select the correct monitor. So I'll just select this one. Now what you need to do is scroll down and here you should see the scale option. First click this drop down menu and then select the recommended value from here. Similarly, do the same for display resolution. Select the recommended value from the list. So Windows 11 doesn't actually give you the option to reset all the display settings using a button, but what you can do is set your display settings to the recommended value and they'll be reset. Similarly, if you want to do this for the second display as well, you can do this by selecting it from here and then changing its value from the drop down menus. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.